Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be discussing, is SpaceX deficient in terms of money to invest in their project? Make sure to watch it until the end, guys. So let's get into it. Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk said on Tuesday that his Starlink satellite internet adventure was growing faster as he forecast total investment costs in the business at between $20 billion and $30 billion. Without disclosing details, he also said Starlink has two quite significant partnerships with major nation telcos that could help the SpaceX division plug gaps in fifth-generation mobile and cellular networks. The Tesla Incorporated CEO and founder of SpaceX said that investment costs before Starlink achieves a complete positive cash flow would be $5 to $10 billion. It's a ton, basically, Musk said in a video interview from California with the Mobile World Congress, the telecoms industry's largest annual gathering, which is being held in Barcelona. Starlink, an array of low-orbit satellites, offers a high-speed, low-latency connectivity, is already offering a trial service and aims to cover the world with the exception of the North and South Poles starting in August, Musk said. It has in excess of 1,500 satellites aloft and is operating in about 12 countries, adding even more consistently. Musk forecasted the total customers would reach 500,000 over the course of the next 12 months, from 69,000 at this point. Some analysts question whether satellites internet can be a viable business model because it mainly targets distant areas and there may not be sufficient individuals to pay the high tariffs expected to recover their investment costs. Starlink would require a couple million subscribers for paying about $99 per month to recover a $5 billion investment in a year, said analyst Tim Farrar, president of TMF Associates. He also mentioned a $30 billion investment longer than a decade would not require a dramatic rise in subscribers. However, to achieve Musk's 2020 projection of generally $30 billion revenue a year would require tens of millions of subscribers. It's not implausible to get this number, 2 or 3 million, to make the system not fail. Be that as it may, this is adequately not to justify the valuation of SpaceX, he said. The more Elon talks up that he is going to invest tens of billions, the harder it becomes for other individuals. That's the big part of Musk's objective, to limit competition. Starlink faces competition from Amazon.com Incorporated subsidiary Kuiper, OneWeb, a collapsed satellite operator rescued by the British government, and India's Bharti Group, as well as Telesat and various others. Paolo Pescatore, an analyst at PP Foresight, said Starlink required scale, which would lower costs, thus the need to Paolo Pescatore to partner with telcos. Musk said he was talking to possible partners as various countries require operators to provide rural coverage as conditions of their 5G licenses. He also mentioned if telecom operators have cellular stations in far-off regions, they could use Starlink to allow them to interface with core networks. The rapid spread of wireless and terrestrial broadband, along with high prices, were significant factors in killing previous low Earth orbit satellite ventures. Starlink is selling terminals for half price, Musk said. Adding to that, he expects to bring down terminal costs from more than $1,000 to $300 to $500 in the next 12 months. Russia's Progress 78 cargo ship, which launched toward the International Space Station on Tuesday, June 29th, will get dangerously close to one of SpaceX's Starlink satellite and a Falcon 9 rocket fragment, according to a statement from the Russian space agency Roscosmos. The Progress spacecraft, which carries about 3,600 pounds or 1,633 kilograms of cargo, including food, fuel, and other supplies, to the orbital outpost, launched from Roscosmos Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan at 7:27 p.m. EDT on Tuesday, June 29. Progress 78 will approach the two objects about 3.5 hours before its docking at the International Space Station. The Roscosmos Main Information and Analytical Center of the automated system recognized the close approach, which triggered a potential collision alert for warning of hazardous situations in near-Earth space, Roscosmos said in a statement issued on the space agency's website Wednesday. Based on preliminary calculations, the Starlink 1691 satellite will be just 0.9 miles or 1.5 kilometers away from Progress 78 on Thursday, July 1st at 5:32 p.m. EDT. 3 minutes later, a fragment of a Falcon 9 rocket booster left in orbit in 2020 is relied upon to approach the spaceship within 0.3 miles or 500 meters. So that was all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know your thoughts about SpaceX in the comment section.